So my name is Aizehi Onoigboria. I'm the founder of United Clinical Trial Support Services.
I'm Adejoke Jegede. I'm the Senior Project Manager with United Clinical Trial Support Services here in Nigeria.
I'm a uni princess.
I am Akisoya Glory.
So my name is Ololade Shuboale.
I'm Charles AJ. I'm Sajibade Promise.
Aliyah Jimba.
Ladi.
Mumina Muibi.
I'm Dachunjene Yusuf.
Babatunde Jeff.
Hello.
I'm Rukeya.
My name is Ali Hassan from the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine.
A 300 level medical laboratory science student.
A student of medicine and surgery.
From Faculty of Law.
I'm a 200 level biological science student.
And I'm from Department of Medicine and Surgery.
From the Department of Biological Science.
Medicine and Surgery.
Of Medicine and Surgery.
Medicine and Surgery.
And I'm here as building the next generation of clinical research.
And I hope to gain so much knowledge. I hope to understand more about clinical research and how I can apply it in my day-to-day life.
And I am excited and happy to receive the training brought for us today.
And I look forward to gaining more insight on clinical research and how I can apply it to my own studies.
I do want to learn more about how to spread awareness to the public about clinical research.
I've been open to learning about research, and luckily this event actually has given me this platform.
I always look forward to getting into research, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity.
I'm very excited today to be in this workshop.
And what does artificial intelligence do? It collects data. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Dr. Yuba is going to be sharing some information with us today. How many of us have our notes? Do you have your notes?